Imagine this, you're sipping rich Italian espresso in Rome one day, and then you're strolling along the Seine River in Paris the next. This is the magic of multi-destination travel, where you can experience the diverse cultures and landscapes of multiple places in a single trip. It's about maximizing your travel time and experiencing a wider range of adventures. Multi-destination trips offer a sense of efficiency, allowing you to cover more ground without the hassle of multiple bookings and long-haul flights. Picture yourself exploring the ancient ruins of Greece, soaking up the sun on a Greek island, and then indulging in the vibrant nightlife of Istanbul, all in one incredible journey. These trips are not just about ticking off destinations, they're about immersing yourself in different cultures, trying new cuisines, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine bartering for spices in a Moroccan souk, hiking through the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, and then marveling at the architectural wonders of Machu Picchu, all within a single trip. The beauty of multi-destination travel lies in its flexibility. You can tailor your itinerary to your interests, whether it's exploring historical sites, indulging in culinary delights, or simply relaxing on pristine beaches. The world is your oyster, and multi-destination travel allows you to savor the pearls. Before you embark on your multi-destination adventure, take some time to define your travel dreams. What kind of experiences are you looking for? Are you drawn to historical sites, bustling cities, serene beaches, or perhaps a mix of everything? Consider your interests, budget, and available time. Do you envision yourself trekking through the Himalayas, exploring the art scene in Berlin, or island hopping in the Caribbean? Defining your travel dreams will provide a clear direction for your planning process. Once you have a general idea, start brainstorming specific destinations that align with your vision. Do you dream of witnessing the northern lights in Iceland, exploring the ancient temples of Angkor Wat, or perhaps diving into the Great Barrier Reef? Let your imagination run wild. Remember, there are no limits to your travel dreams. Whether it's a whirlwind tour of European capitals or a leisurely exploration of Southeast Asia, the first step is to envision the adventure you desire. With your travel dreams in mind, it's time to delve into research and shortlist potential destinations. Explore travel blogs, guidebooks, and online resources to gather information about different places that pique your interest. Consider factors such as visa requirements, local customs, currency exchange rates, and safety precautions. Research the best time to visit each destination, taking into account weather patterns and peak tourist seasons. As you research, start shortlisting destinations that best align with your preferences and travel style. Create a list of must-see attractions, potential activities, and local experiences that you'd like to have. Remember, thorough research is crucial for a successful multi-destination trip. By gathering all the necessary information, you can make informed decisions and ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Now that you have a short list of destinations, it's time to craft your itinerary. This is where you'll map out the sequence of your trip, determining how many days you'll spend in each location and the transportation methods you'll use between them. Start by considering the distances between your chosen destinations and the available transportation options. Will you be flying, taking trains, buses, or renting a car? Factor in travel time and potential delays when allocating days to each location. Prioritize the must-see attractions and activities in each destination, ensuring you have enough time to experience them fully. Consider the pace you prefer, whether it's a fast-paced exploration or a more leisurely journey. Remember, your itinerary is a flexible guide, not a rigid schedule. Be open to adjustments along the way, embracing unexpected opportunities and spontaneous adventures. Section 5, Step 4. Secure your travel documents. With your itinerary in place, it's crucial to secure your travel documents. This includes ensuring your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended return date and obtaining any necessary visas well in advance. Research visa requirements for each destination on your itinerary. Some countries offer visa-free entry for short stays, while others require a visa application process. Allow ample time for visa processing, as it can sometimes take several weeks. Consider travel insurance to protect yourself against unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, flight cancellations, or lost luggage. Choose a comprehensive insurance plan that covers your specific needs and destinations. Remember, securing your travel documents is essential for a smooth and hassle-free journey. Don't leave this important step until the last minute. Section 6. Step 5. Book flights and accommodation. With your travel documents in order, it's time to book your flights and accommodation. Start by comparing flight prices using online travel agencies and airline websites. Consider factors such as flight duration, layovers, and baggage allowance. Explore different accommodation options based on your budget and preferences. Will you be staying in hotels, hostels, guest houses, or perhaps renting apartments or villas? Research reviews and compare prices to find the best deals. Consider booking flights and accommodation in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season or to popular destinations. This will ensure you secure the best rates and availability. Remember, booking flights and accommodation can be a significant expense, so take your time, compare prices, and choose options that best suit your needs and budget. Section 7, Step 6. Pack smart and light. Packing for a multi-destination trip requires a strategic approach. The key is to pack light and smart, bringing only essential items that can be mixed and matched for various occasions. Start by creating a packing list based on your itinerary and the activities you'll be doing. Pack versatile clothing items that can be layered for different climates and occasions. Choose neutral colors that can be easily combined. Pack essential toiletries in travel-sized containers to save space. Consider bringing a universal adapter if you're traveling to countries with different electrical outlets. Remember, packing light will make your journey more enjoyable and less cumbersome. You can always purchase any additional items you may need at your destinations. Section 8. Step 7. Embrace the unexpected. While meticulous planning is essential for a multi-destination trip, it's equally important to embrace the unexpected. Be prepared for flight delays, itinerary changes, and spontaneous adventures. Maintain a flexible mindset and be open to adjusting your plans as needed. Sometimes the best travel experiences arise from unplanned detours and unexpected encounters. Embrace the local culture, try new foods, and engage with the people you meet along the way. These experiences will enrich your journey and create lasting memories. Remember, travel is about exploration and discovery. Embrace the unexpected and allow yourself to be surprised by the wonders that await. Section 9. Step 8. Capture your memories. As you embark on your multi-destination adventure, don't forget to capture your memories. Whether it's through photographs, videos, or journal entries, documenting your experiences will allow you to relive them for years to come. Take photos of iconic landmarks, breathtaking scenery, and everyday moments that capture the essence of your journey. Experiment with different angles, perspectives, and lighting to create visually compelling images. Consider keeping a travel journal to jot down your thoughts, feelings, and observations. Reflect on the highlights of your day, the people you've met, and the lessons you've learned. Remember, capturing your memories is a way to preserve the magic of your multi-destination trip and share your experiences with others. Section 10. Your multi-destination adventure awaits. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and inspiration to plan your own multi-destination trip, it's time to turn your travel dreams into reality. The world is waiting to be explored, and the possibilities are endless. Imagine yourself wandering through the ancient ruins of Rome, savoring the flavors of Thai cuisine in Bangkok, and then marveling at the northern lights in Iceland, all in one incredible journey. Multi-destination travel allows you to experience the world's diversity, immerse yourself in different cultures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? What are your dream destinations? Share your travel aspirations in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to embark on unforgettable multi-destination adventures.